between Kisumu, Moroni, when there was sudden demand, and the line that between Kisumu and Moroni is dimensioned to carry 80 megawatts. When the line went down, it was carrying 120 megawatts, and suddenly there was a demand of an additional 20 megawatts on that line. For a line to be carrying 149 megawatts when it is designed for 80, it felt threatened. And
join the thousands who've upgraded to reliable solar that works anywhere in Kenya, from urban apartments to off-grid Maasai villages. That's why, after watching this, most viewers fire up their phones and contact Power Africa Solar. They're the pros turning Kenya's sun into unstoppable power. At PowerAfricaSolar.com, snag top-tier lithium batteries, custom installs, and systems built for your life. No guesswork, just results. Call us today, Nairobi office, 079-2247-397 or 07947165562. Kisumu office, 0792245589 or email us, info@powerafricasolar.com. Mention this video for a free solar installation quote